Very good evening, my dear GW soldiers. Very good evening, very good evening, very good evening. First of all, kindly let me know, am I audible, each and everyone? Am I audible? Let me know fast, please. Yes, Sham, very good evening, beta. Very good evening. Sham, Seema, Jaydeep, Shen, Adya Raj, Priya, each and everyone, let me know, am I audible? Everyone, everyone, everyone. Audible. Very good, bacha. God bless what I am doing. Now, listen carefully. Today, my dear student, we are going to start relational algebra. In this, we will discuss, my dear student, basic operators and drive operators. Basic operator and drive operators, my dear. Basic operator and drive operators. So, my dear, what is happening? Listen carefully. First of all, here today we are going to start query language. Query language. In the query language, what happen? Query broadly are classified into two type. Broadly classified into two type, my dear. Two type. First one, procedural query language. Second, non-procedural query language. What I am asking, there are two type of query language. My dear student, there are two type of query language, procedural and second one is non-procedural, my dear. Procedural and non-procedural. There are two type of query language. First one is procedural, second one is non-procedural. What happen in procedural and what happen in non-procedural? What happen in procedural, my dear student? Each and everything is specified. Mean to say, what to retrieve from the database and how to retrieve. What to retrieve and how to retrieve from the database, each and everything is specified, my dear. Is specified. Getting my point? And here, very good, Priya Chaudhary, God bless. And in the non-procedural query language, only what to retrieve from the database. What to retrieve from database. How to retrieve? It's depend on you. How to retrieve? It's depend on you, my dear student. So in this procedural query language, we will discuss relational algebra. And here we will discuss SQL and TRC. Structured query language and tuple relational calculus, my dear. Listen carefully. There are two type of query language, procedural and second one is non-procedural. Procedural and non-procedural. What is the example of the procedural? Relational algebra. And non-procedural is SQL and TRC, my dear. Now we are going to start one by one. Procedural query language and non-procedural query language. Please put your pen down, everyone. Put your pen down. What happened in procedural query language? I told already. Formulation of how to access and what to retrieve. What data is required and how to access. In non-procedural, only what data retrieve. How to access, it depend on you, my dear. Case we are accessing. Getting my point? In this we discuss relational algebra. Here we discuss SQL and TRC, DRC. Right now DRC not in syllabus. That's why we mention TRC. So there are two type of query language, procedural and non-procedural. So first of all, we are going to start procedural query language. What beta? Procedural query language. Which one? Procedural query language. In which we are going to discuss, my dear student, relational algebra. Kya bachcho? Relational algebra. First we are going to discuss relational algebra, my dear. This is the starting of the today class, relational algebra. What happened in relational algebra? First of all, it is a procedural query language. Now, you let me know. Seema, very good evening, beta. Very good evening. What is the difference between relational algebra and SQL? What is the difference between relational algebra and SQL? Please let me know fast, बच्चों. Tell me fast. What is the difference between relational algebra and SQL? Everyone. जल्दी बताइए. What is the difference between relational algebra and SQL? Don't tell this difference ki sir one is procedural and second one is non-procedural. That I have already taken. Okay, बच्चों. Let me know fast. What is the difference between relational algebra and SQL? Yes, Seema, Jaideep, Shan, Sham, Adya Raj, Priya Chaudhary. Let me know fast, बच्चों. We will discuss relational algebra and SQL in complete detail. Seema, Sham, Priya, Adya. देखिए बच्चों, again I am going to start my today class topic. What we done. Again I summarize, my dear. I summarize. We discuss FD and normal form, complete chapter. Second, we discuss transaction and concurrency control. And third point, what we done, my dear? ER model and foreign key concept and ER to RDBMS conversion. ER to RDBMS conversion. Next, today class we are going to start query language. After that we have a file organization and indexing. So today topic we are going to start query language, my dear. Query language. Sir, relational algebra, select, project, union, difference, operation, perform. Okay, Seema. No, what I want exactly, that is different. Sham, you given the correct answer. Listen carefully. So these things we done. Now we are going on this part. Query language. ये अपन पढ़ चुके हैं. ER model, foreign key concept, ER to RDBMS conversion. We have done na all these things. And now we are going to start query language. Query language, again I repeat from the beginning. Query language are broadly classified into two types. Procedural query language. Second one is non-procedural query language. Sir, what is the difference? In the procedural, as the name indicate, what to retrieve and how to retrieve. Each and everything we have to specify. In non-procedural, what to retrieve, it's only depend. Focus on what to retrieve, how to retrieve, it depends. Okay. Now listen carefully. In the procedural query language, example is relational algebra, and non-procedural is SQL and TRC. Here I show how to access and what to access, and here only what data is required. Here relational algebra, here SQL and TRC. Now we are talking about relational algebra. So what is the difference between relational algebra and SQL, my dear? First of all, relational algebra is procedural query language. Second point, in the relational algebra, by default eliminate the duplicate values. My dear. In SQL, duplicate retain. You have to use distinct keyword explicitly to avoid to eliminate the duplicates in SQL. Getting my point? So what happened? By default, eliminate the duplicate. By default, eliminate duplicates. Relational algebra. Sir, what is the meaning of by default eliminate the duplicate? For example, there is a parts name, a project name A, B, C, A, D, B. So if you searching by name from table R, then what you will get in output? You are getting A, B, C, D only. Although you are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tuple, but you are getting only 4 tuple. Why? Because A is appearing 2 times and B is appearing 2 times, it will take only once. It will take only once, my dear, once. Crystal clear? Then I will go to start each and every component, each and every operator. Then I will show how to write a query, each and everything. Clear, bacha? Each and everyone clear? So there are two types, procedural and non-procedural. First of all, we are going to start relational algebra, that is procedural query language, and by default it eliminate the duplicate values. It eliminate the duplicate value. Write down, crystal clear, everyone. So relational algebra always generate distinct tuples. Always generate distinct. Distinct means what? Already I told na, if your name appearing more than once, it will take only once. It will take only once, my dear. And what happen? What happen in this? Relational algebra refer to a procedural query language that take relation instance as a input and return relational instance as a output. Instance means set of rows, set of tuples, whatever details is given. So now we are going to start relational algebra. Relational algebra. In relational algebra, bachcho, there are two category of operator. In relational algebra, there are two category of operators. There are two category of operator, my dear. Two category of operator. Basic operators. Second one is drive operators. Basic operator and second one is drive operators, my dear. Basic operator and drive operator. Sham, Seema, Jadip, Sen, each and everyone crystal clear. There are Priya, Adhya, crystal clear, beta. There are two category of operator, basic operator and drive operator. First of all, what is the difference between basic operator and drive operator? Basic operator means they directly implement, but drive operator is done with the help of basic operator. With the help of basic operator. They perform with the help of basic operator, my dear. With the help of basic operator. With the help of basic operator, my dear. With the help of basic operator. Two categories. Now there are three drive operator. Three drive operator. Which one three drive? First one is join and its type, division, and third one intersection. There are three drive operator and six basic operators. Sima, six basic operators and three drive operator, and I will discuss each and every operator one by one in complete depth. Don't fear. Don't fear, bachcho. Here there are two category of operator. First I told basic operators, in which we have a projection, selection, cross product, union, set difference, and rename. And three drive operator, intersection, join and division. Intersection, join and division, bachcho. Intersection, join and division, my dear. So courage start, everyone. Kindly acknowledge fast. Kindly acknowledge fast, each and everyone. So we will start this point. Please let me know fast. Everyone, everyone, everyone. Till now crystal clear? Acknowledge, everyone. Very good, bacha. Now listen carefully. Listen carefully. We are going to start, my dear student, relational algebra. Each and every operators. There are total six basic operator and three drive operators. What is the three drive operators? Join, division, and intersection. First of all, intersection you know, my dear. Intersection you know from the childhood. Don't fear about that. R intersection S is what? R intersection S is what, beta? Let me know first. R minus S. R minus S. You know this formula. R intersection S is what? Yes, I know what is the meaning of intersection. Those common tuple which are present in R and which are present in S also. But how to write in mathematically? R minus S. That's why please try to feel, my dear. That's why it is called drive operators. That's why it is called drive operators, because they are implement with the help of some other. Like here, they are using with the help of minus या set difference. Sir, please prove this one. Please prove this one, sir. For example, we have a R 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have a S 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the R intersection S? What is the R intersection S, my dear? This one. Now calculate R minus S. What is the meaning of R minus S? What is the value of R minus S? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you will get 1, 2, 3. R minus S, you will get 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? Now, my dear, when you subtract R minus S, what value you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 1, 2, 3. You will get, my dear, you will get 4, 5, 6. Mean to say, you are getting R minus S equal to 4, 5, 6. That is equivalent to R intersection S, my dear. Hope so you are getting. Hope so you are getting, everyone. Crystal clear? So intersection we have done here. Now we will discuss each and every operator one by one. Please let me know. Acknowledge fast बच्चों, fast. क्लियर है सभी को? Everyone, चमका. Yes या no? Now listen carefully. Now we are going to discuss each and every operator one by one. Okay. First of all, selection and projection we will discuss. Don't fear, बच्चों, don't fear. Selection. Second one is projection. Yes, let me know fast what is the difference between selection and projection. Everyone, what is the difference between selection and projection? Cham, Seema, Jaideep, Priya, Adya, Raj, each and everyone, let me know fast. What is the difference between selection and projection, बच्चों? Let me know fast, बच्चों. सीमा, श्याम, जयदीप, जल्दी बताइए बच्चों. What is the meaning of selection and projection? It select the tuples. Yeah, you can say a record. Yeah, you can say a row in a Desi language. You don't know. Selection allowed duplicate but projection not. अरे बच्चा wrong. बेटा श्याम wrong. Seema, okay, I got it your point. I will explain, don't worry. From the basic, I just assuming you are 10th pass, I will explain from the basic. Okay, happy? बना दीजिए एक बार, दे लिख दीजिए क्रिस्टल क्लियर. Why you fear बच्चा? It select the tuple or record or row. It select the tuple based on specified condition. Based on specified condition. I will explain from the childhood, from the basic. Don't fear. Or it select the attribute or attribute list from the relation. It project या display attribute or attribute list from the relation, my dear. So what is happening? Please try to understand. What is the syntax? Sir, what is the syntax? First of all, let me know, please. What is the syntax for selection? Sigma condition from relation. This is the syntax. This is the syntax, बच्चों, for a selection. And what is the syntax for projection? Pi attribute or attribute list from relation. Here no condition is applied. Here no condition is applied, बच्चों. Now let's take a example. Let's take a example, बच्चों. Let's take a example. For example, I want the detail whose CGPA, whose student detail जिनका CGPA greater than 9 हो. Are you getting my point? Or those student which belongs to state equal to, बेटा श्याम कहां से हो? Which state? सीमा कहां से हो? जयदीप which state you belongs? From student table. From student table, बच्चों. Tell me fast. सोचना पड़ेगा. ये नहीं पता कहां से हो. ओके, मैं लिख देता हूं हिमाचल प्रदेश, बिकॉज अखंड भारत. अरे तो मैं इधर कोई चक दे इंडिया नहीं चल रहा है जो स्टेट को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. समझ रहे हो सीमा? यानी स्टेट तो स्टेट कहलाएगा. आई नो वी ऑल आर इंडियंस. वी ऑल आर इंडियंस. सो यहाँ कोई चक दे इंडिया मूवी नहीं है. डोंट वरी बेटा. ओके, नाउ लिसन. Here what happened beta? It select the tuples, mean to say it is applied each and every tuple with satisfying that tuple will be fetch. That tuple will be fetch. And here what is happening, my dear? Here for example pi student name. I don't want any detail. I don't want apply any condition. I want only student name. I want only student name, my dear. I want only student name, nothing else. Like those students are studying, I want those name. So pi student name. Yeah, I want student name and branch from student table. Mean to say pi attribute or attribute list A, B, C, D from relation R या pi A from relation R, बच्चों. This is the meaning of selection and projection, my dear. This is the meaning of selection and projection. Selection means what? It select the tuples. It select the tuples based on specified condition. And projection means what? It project या display the attribute or attribute list, बच्चों, or attribute list. For example, you can see, my dear, you can see here there is a single attribute. There is a 2 attribute, 4 attribute, single attribute. So it's single attribute or more than one attribute is also there. Okay, bacha. Now here you can see projection. I told pi attribute name from R. It is used to project required attributes. Selection. It is used to select the tuples, those satisfying the condition, those satisfying the condition बच्चों, those satisfying the condition. For example, listen carefully. I want find student details having CGPA greater than 8. Greater than 8. Tell me how to write. How to write? सीमा, now अखंड भारत. Don't worry बेटा, no state. CGPA तो लिख दूं? Tell me fast, everyone. Very good. Very good. Sigma. CGPA greater than 8 from student table. From student table. This is the answer. Yes. Beta, this is not a SQL, so select, write down. We write only sigma CGPA greater than 8. So what happened? It will give all tuple values, whatever attribute, whatever number of attribute. Let's suppose arity is 10. There are 10 fields, 10 attribute. So it give all the attributes because we don't project any things. Now, next question is what? Find as name of the student having CGPA greater than 8. Now let me know what is happening. Now let me know what is happening. Tell me fast. Tell me fast. Each and everyone, let me know fast. What is the answer? Here we want details. Here we don't want detail. We want only S name. So what happened? CGPA greater than 8 from student table, that will remain same. But now we want S name. Now we want बच्चों S name. This is the meaning of this query. Clear बच्चों? Pi S name. Sigma. Yes, very good beta Sham. God bless. Now listen carefully. Here this is a relation R with A, B, C. Now what is my question number 1? My question number 1 is pi BC from R. Pi BC from R. Now you let me know what is the answer. How many tuples you will get? How many tuples you will get? Please let me know. BC. How many tuples you will get? Number of tuples, tell me fast. Don't watch on right hand side. Be honest. What is the answer? Please. What is the answer? Here you will get 3 tuples. Very good. Here you will get 3 tuples. 4, 5. 4, 5 again repeat. Not will take 4, 6 and 5, 5. So you are getting this output 4 5 4 6 and 5 5. Second question is, if I want a is greater than 5, what I apply? 4 5 4 6 and 5 5. What I apply? A is greater than 5. A is greater than 5, my dear. So where a is greater than 5? This one and this one, because I will not return any projection of any attribute. So what happen? All complete tuples like 8 4 5 and 7 4 6, complete tuple with all attribute which is given in the relation, complete tuple with all attributes which is given in the relation, all will be display, my dear, like 8 4 5 and 7 4 6, my dear, 7 4 6. Again, next we have a three tables. Reserve R1, seller S1 and seller S2. This is the example from Raghu Ramakrishna बच्चों, है ना. Now here what I want, beta, I want sigma rating is greater than 8 from seller table S2. Tell me fast how many tuples you will get. Tell me fast how many tuples you will get. Then I will tell you one beautiful thing. Really you will enjoy. I will tell you one very good concept. Believe me, my dear. What is the answer? Rating greater than 8. This one and this one means 28 UP 935 or 58 Rusty. If you apply this condition on this table, then what you will get? You will get, my dear, you will get this two tuple. You will get this tuple and this tuple. These two tuple you will get. You can see 28 UP and 58 Rusty. Now, if I want S name rating, if I want in this table pi S name comma rating, S name comma rating from seller S2. What is the answer? What is the answer? S name comma rating. What is the answer? Tell me fast. Pi S name comma rating. What is the answer, my dear? Please let me know fast. S name comma rating from seller S2. This is seller S2. What is the answer? How many tuples you will get? How many tuples you will get? Let me know fast, bachcho, fast. Wrong, Syam. Wrong. S name comma rating na. I didn't apply any condition. Right now I didn't apply any condition. Please listen carefully. I want only S name. So what happened? S name UP9. Luber 8. Guppy 5. Rusty 10. Clear? 4 tuple you will get. Now I change my query. What is the query now? Pi S name comma rating sigma rating is greater than 8 from seller S2. Now let me know what is the answer. Sir, will this subject get completed in this week? No, beta Nikki. Dekho, if you want only finishing, I can finish in one day also. है ना? But my intention is very clear. I want to give maximum data to you. Okay. This is the reason I am taking each and everything. Otherwise, why I am doing the practicing of select and projection? And when I ask in the beginning, most of the student not aware about the selection and projection also. What I'm asking, S name rating where rating is greater than 8, S2. Nikki, I will take on each and everything, whatever I can give my best here within that time period I am trying to give. So this subject is not finished in this week. Sorry beta, because it will require time. It is not like a Maggie, it will done in 2 minutes. Or today's time Maggie is also not done in 2 minutes. So these are the beautiful concepts. It will take time. Sorry for inconvenience. So what is the answer, bacho? What is the answer? Here rating greater than 8, two tuples, UP and Rusty. UP and Rusty. UP 9 and Rusty 10, my dear. Rusty 10. These are the S name and rating, my dear. S name and rating, my dear. This is the output of this one. And this is the output of this one. बच्चों, निकी मेरी बात का बुरा मत मानना, है ना? मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि दिस विल नॉट कंप्लीट इन दिस वीक, है ना? बट इफ यू आर थिंकिंग कि जस्ट फिनिश सर, वी आर गेटिंग बोर, तो डायरेक्टली यू कैन से आई कैन फिनिश, नो प्रॉब्लम. बट रियली देयर आर लोट्स ऑफ ब्यूटीफुल कॉन्सेप्ट दैट आई वांट टू टेल यू इन दीज सेशंस. although it is a free YouTube channel, but I want to give the maximum content. I am trying whatever I can do best for you. I am giving bacha, है ना? Sorry for inconvenience. Now here you can see this is the answer. Next, pi age S2. Give me answer, bachcho. Pi age S2. Nikki beta, what is the answer for this one? Please let me know fast. Acknowledge. Each and everyone acknowledge. Seema, Sham, Jadip, Nikki, Priya, Adya Raj. Wrong. Seema wrong. Sham correct. Age of S2. अरे ये S2 है यार. S2. So what are the age? What are the age beta? 35, 55, 35, 35. So what we do? We write age only once, bachcho. Why we write again and again? You will get 35.0, 55.5, bachcho. These two. Very good, Priya Chaudhary. God bless. This is the answer, bachcho. This is the answer. 35.0 and 55.5. Crystal clear, everyone? Seema, your answer was wrong. Now, next question. S name rating we already done. Now listen carefully. Listen carefully. Here. Okay. I want to apply one thing. I want to take this table. Yes. Listen carefully. Now some important point. Here we are right now. Some important point, bachcho. What is the important point? Please try to understand. Sigma C1, sigma C2, sigma C3, sigma C4. ओके, तो सीक्वेंस में कर देते चलो. From relation R is equivalent sigma C2, sigma C1, sigma C4, sigma C3 from relation R, बच्चों. Getting my point? These are equivalent. Sir, why? For example, let's take a previous example in which what is happening, my dear? What is happening? Please listen carefully. Listen carefully. Here I am applying a C1 condition. C1 condition is what? Rating greater than 8. Rating greater than 8 and age. C2 condition is what? Age is greater than equal to 35. Greater than equal to 35. Please try to understand. You will do wrong one thing. I guaranteed claim you will do wrong one thing. That question asked in gate 2 marks and some of the competition also. But you will do wrong. So try to understand. Open your mind and eyes and listen carefully. What I am telling ki C1 and C2. What is the C2 condition? C2 condition is age is greater than equal to 35. Okay, bacha. Now, first of all, I compute LHS C1. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. So what I compute? C1 is what? Rating is greater than 8. Yes or no? Then I apply age is greater than equal to 35. Okay. This is the LHS part. This is the LHS part. First C1, then C2. First C1 apply rating. Rating greater than 8. How many tuples you will get? This one and this one. 28 UP. Please listen carefully. 28 UP. 935. 58 Rusty. 1035.0. This is the output of this query. Rating is greater than. Then you apply age is greater than equal to 35. Then you will get same answer. You will get same answer 28 UP 935.0, 35.0 and 58 Rusty 1035.0. Okay, my dear. Now please listen vice versa. Listen vice versa. What is the vice versa? First of all, you apply C1, C2. Now you apply first C2, then apply C1. Then apply C1, my dear. Please try to understand. Then apply C1. C2 is what? Age is greater than 35. Age is greater than equal to 35 from relation R. Then you apply rating greater than 8. Rating greater than 8. Bacho, don't worry about the bracket. Don't fear about that. This is syntax. You don't care right now. Just try to understand the concept. Okay. Bracket. Maybe I have insert one more, one less. That will take care later on. Okay, Seema. First of all, understand the concept. What I am talking. Ki first of all, here we apply C1. Then apply C2. And I am saying both are equivalent. Both are equivalent, bacha. So first of all, I show the LHS part. C1 then C2. This is the LHS output. Then C2 then C1. RHS part. RHS. C2 then C1, bacho. C2 then C1. Now age is greater than 35. Age is greater than 35. What happen? What happen? You will get 4 tuples. You will get 4 tuples, my dear. 4 tuples. 28, 31, 44, 58, UP, Luber, Guppy, and Rusty. 9, 8, 5, 10. 9, 8, 5, 10. Age is 35.0, 55.5, 35.0, 35.0. This is the first inner query output. This is the inner query output. Seema, are you getting better? This is the output of inner query. Now you have to apply what? Rating greater than 8. Rating greater than 8. then you will get only these two tuple in the output. Final output is what? 28 UP 935.0, 58 Rusty 1035.0. So this is the equivalent, means LHS equal to RHS. I prove here, what I prove is C1 then C2 from relation R is equivalent to C2 then C1. Chamka everyone, each and everyone chamka. This is the rule number 1. You can say I given the proof also. Here C1 C2 I have taken. C1 is rating greater than 8. C2 is age is greater than equal to 35. Crystal clear बच्चों? Crystal clear? Now you will do the wrong. You will do the wrong, my dear. I guaranteed. Listen carefully next. This is not equal pi attribute from R sigma C1. Hope so you are getting. Hope so you are getting. This is the rule number 2. For example, C1 is assume rating greater than 8 or attribute is name. So let me know these are equal kya? Let me know. So first you apply condition rating greater than 8 from table S2. From table S2 है ये है ना, R2 नहीं है, S2 है. Rating greater than 8, then find the name UP and Rusty. Then you will get UP and Rusty. Crystal clear बच्चा? This is the LHS output. This is the LHS output, my dear. This is the LHS output. Now you let me know what is the RHS output. You let me know what is the RHS output. So बच्चों, these are things na. So first of all, you find the name from S2, then apply the condition rating is greater than 8, my dear. क्या आएगा? Let me know first. You find the name, all name, UP, Luber, Guppy, Rusty. UP, Luber, Guppy, Rusty. Then apply the condition. What condition? Rating is greater than 8. No बच्चों, no. Chamka, each and everyone chamka. If yes, then kindly write down in chat box. What I am telling, whenever, let's assume you fetch first tuple, then applying the attribute. Assume one example also. Let's suppose you want to find color equal to red from parts table, then find the parts name. Clear बच्चा? So, or here you write first find the parts name from parts table, then apply the color equal to red. Is it possible? My dear? No sir. Why? Because here first of all inner query will execute. Seema, beta, getting? Seema, Jaydeep, Sham, Adya, Priya, everyone getting? Let me know first. First inner query will execute, then outer query. So here you will get first inner query, you will get p name. Now color table is not available. There is a one table parts. in which parts ID, P name and color. Assume. Clear bacha? So first you find color equal to red, then you fetch the tuple. For example, here you can take any red, green, yellow, red, A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. So first of all you find the red color wale, then applying the condition. Red color, then you will get A and D. But here if you project first, then you are not able to applying the condition. Clear? Now listen my question. This question asked in competition is the LHS can be replaced by RHS or not? It is asked in GATE. Here exactly don't remember, but ask similar type question asked in GATE 2 marks. Let me know fast. What is the answer? Please let me know fast. Answer is wrong. Your answer is wrong. Hima, Shyam, your answer is wrong. And I told already कि you will give the wrong answer. मैं आपको डीमोटिवेट नहीं कर रहा, मैं आपको हकीकत बता रहा हूं, है ना? मैंने पहले चैलेंज दिया था, चैलेंज नहीं, मैंने आपको पहले ही बोला था. व्हाई आई टोल्ड अर्लियर? बिकॉज यू आर मोर फोकस एंड मोर एक्टिव. डोंट से डायरेक्टली नो, इट इज यस करेक्ट. व्हाई? नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. यू लिसन वन सॉन्ग, वो साल दूसरा था, ये साल दूसरा है. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग. Here what I am telling, here C1 then attribute, है ना? LHS equal to RHS or not? But in this what is the question? Is the LHS interrogative sentence, is the LHS can be replaced by RHS or not? Now listen carefully. Please try to observe beta. Try to observe. What happened? First of all you filter one attribute A1, then applying the condition. Assume attribute A1 is rating, then applying the condition C1 is rating is greater than 8, then no problem. First you fetch that attribute, then applying this condition on this one, na? Are you getting my point? I am not saying that these both are equivalent. No, these both are not equivalent. Okay. These both are not equivalent. But my question is different. I am asking, can we replace the LHS with the help of RHS or not? So here what is happening in LHS? First inner query will execute. Then first of all you find the attribute. Whatever attribute you are finding, you apply the condition on that attribute. For example, if I am taking the attribute is rating, so first you filter the attribute rating, then applying the condition rating is greater than 8. Clear beta? For example, you can see this example, na? First you find 9, 5, 8, 9, 8, 5, 10. Here it is. Yes. 9, 8, 5, 10. First you fetch inner query, then apply rating greater than 8. What happen? You will get 9 and 10 in the output. My dear. Chamka everyone. Chamka. Here rating greater than 8 from seller table S2. Then you are getting 9 and 10. Then you find only rating. Then this is the output. Chamka? Everyone, if it is Chamka, then write down in chat box. I given a proof also, my dear. Given a proof. Crystal clear, everyone? Each and everyone, let me know fast. Now listen carefully. So बच्चों, I know you read selection and projection, and I also teach here. How much depth, whatever I can do for you, I have given. I have taken each and everything here. Hope so you are enjoying. Now listen. Second point, I want to discuss set operators. Set operators, union, intersection, and division. So let R and S are the two relations. Relation R and relation S is union compatible if and only if two conditions must be satisfied. Two conditions must be satisfying. Bachcho, please tell me one thing honestly. You are getting something new. Is it these series are beneficial for you, which is conducted by the Gate Wallah on English YouTube channel? Are you getting the advantage? Either you are watching recorded or live. If yes, you are getting the advantage, Sima, then write down the first video of the. I'm not saying ki each and every video, because there is a 26 video already. This is a 26. But everyone, please. So listen. First of all, to applying the set operators, arity must be same. Arity means number of attributes. Arity of R and S must be same. Arity of R and S must be same. For example, here, one table having the 3 attributes and another table having the 2 attributes. Then बच्चों, not possible to apply. Not possible to apply, my dear. संगम होगा कि नहीं? नहीं होगा. Second point, range of attribute domain must be similar. Must be similar. Okay. Range of attribute means what? For example, here we have a ID. Here we have a roll number, name. Here we have a branch and CGPA. So you are not able to apply these things. Not possible to apply. अरे क्या कॉमन लोगे बच्चों? Nothing is able. So when the set operators will be applied? When the set operators will be applied? When same arity and range is similar and arity is similar. For example, you have a table. One table is for C language. One table is for registration table for C language. Another table is for Java language. Java language. Okay. Here you have a student name and contact detail. Here you have a student name and contact detail. Now possible to apply. Are you getting my point? So whenever we want to apply, two condition must be satisfied. First of all, arity must be same. What is the meaning of arity? Degree. What is the meaning of degree? Number of attributes, sir. Number of attribute. Second point, range of attribute must be similar. For example, here we have a roll number and name. Here we have a branch and CGPA. You can't take the union. You can't find the intersection. Arey, can you compare apple with orange? No, na. Apple is different, orange is different. You can compare apple with apple, orange with orange, na? Which one is good, which one is bad? Are you getting my point? One is sweet, one is salt. Listen carefully. So, first of all, number of attribute. Like here, arity is 3. 1, 2, 3 attribute. Here, 1 and 2. So, you can't take intersection, union, whatever. But here, arity is same, but range is different. Range of attribute. Here roll number and name, here branch and CGPA. You can't take union, you can't take intersection, my dear, because संगम होगा कि नहीं होगा. Clear? So here you can apply कि yes, now you can apply कि how many student reading C language or Java. Yeah, tell the name of the student who is reading C and Java. Yeah, C but not Java. Yeah, Java but not C. Clear बच्चा? So listen बच्चों, there are set operators, union, set difference and intersection. To apply set operators, they must be compatible. They must be compatible. R and S must be union compatible if and only if first point arity of R equal to arity of S, second domain of R similar to domain of S बच्चों, domain of S. Like here you can see ID name, here only ID, here arity is 2, here arity is 1, then not possible. Arity not same, so set operation not allowed. बच्चों write down in chat box. Second example, arity same, but but here we have a S name, here we have a marks. Arity same, but S name domain is different and marks domain is different, so set operation not allowed. When it is allowed, like you can see, student ID and name, here ID and name, arity and domain are same, so allowed set operators. Listen carefully. Now listen carefully. Here we have a R 2 3, इधर 2 4 है. So whenever you do the union, what happen? Because by default eliminate the duplicate na. Here we have a 2 3, here we have a 2 4. So what we are getting? 2 3 4. What is the meaning of union? कि those values of x which belongs to R or which belongs to S, which belongs to R or which belongs to S, which belongs to R or which belongs to S बच्चों. Clear everyone? R minus S, those values which are present in R but not belongs to S. So in R we have a 2 3, in S we have a 2 4. So which value which is present in R, which is belongs to R but not belongs to S? 3 3 3. 3 belongs to R but not belongs to S. 3. Intersection, what is the common? 2 is common. Now you have to read these things. I stop here. You have to read these things. Today, tomorrow I will next class I will start from here. Okay बच्चों, everyone crystal clear? And these are the AR to RDBMS conversion वाले question you have to solve बच्चों. Already I explained ना. Please let me know any doubt till now. Any doubt? Each and everyone. Any doubt? Please solve the AR to RDBMS conversion question. I already discussed maybe this topic. If not, please let me know. If I forgot, put MSQ question more, sir. Yes, I have beta. I have, but slowly you will get. Don't worry about that. In my practice question, you will find it. Don't worry about that. Okay. What not discuss? Sham, what beta? क्या टॉपिक डिस्कस नहीं हुआ है? We didn't discuss this topic AR to RDBMS. तो यार बच्चों बोलते ना, you not told in the beginning when I was writing. जब मैं लिख रहा था तो बोलते बेटा आप इधर. When I was writing here, what we done here, I have written ना. That time आपने बोला ही नहीं बच्चों. Okay, anyway, I am giving this. You will read, then I will again take. Don't worry, I will again take. I am giving the PDF. Don't worry right now. I will again take these things. Okay, Sham? Don't fear. Don't fear. As soon as possible, test series will be launched. Don't worry, बच्चों. So, enjoying everyone? Enjoying? Write down in chat box. Any doubt? Enjoying? So thank you everyone. God bless. Sabba khair. Shubh Ratri. मिलते हैं next class. I am giving the questions and theory also. You will read it. Okay. So write down hashtag enjoying if you really enjoying. Everyone. Hashtag enjoying. Thank you everyone. Thank you.